Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're gonna look at litera D. Litera D. Letter D. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is D or D. It is pronounced like D in dog. Dog. The target vocabulary for this lesson is drapel, dosar, datorie. Now let's see what do these words mean. Drapel. Drapel means flag. Dosar. Dosar means folder. Datorie. Datorie means debt. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Drapelul flutură în vânt. Drapelul flutură în vânt. The flag is flapping in the wind. Mi-am pus documentele în dosar. Mi-am pus documentele în dosar. I put my documents in the folder. Nu am nici o datorie. Nu am nici o datorie. I don't have debt. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!